Article 243(h) of the Indian Constitution outlines the financial powers and the establishment of funds for panchayats. It grants the state legislature the authority to legislate on matters related to the financial resources of panchayats. Here's a detailed breakdown of its provisions. Clause A. Authorize a panchayat to levy, collect, and appropriate taxes, duties, tolls, and fees. The state legislature can empower panchayats to impose these financial charges. The process and limits for levying, collecting, and appropriating these charges must be specified by the state law. Clause B assigns certain taxes, duties, tolls, and fees to panchayats. The state government can assign specific taxes, duties, tolls, and fees it collects to panchayats. These assignments can be for specific purposes and subject to conditions and limits set by the state law. Clause C provides for grants in aid to panchayats. The state legislature can make provisions for granting financial assistance to panchayats from the state's consolidated fund. These grants in aid are intended to support the financial requirements of panchayats. Clause D provides for the constitution of funds for panchayats. The state legislature can establish specific funds for panchayats. These funds will be credited with all money received by or on behalf of panchayats. Provisions must also be made for the withdrawal of money from these funds. Overall, Article 243(h) ensures that panchayats have access to financial resources through various means, including their own taxation powers, assignments from state taxes, grants in aid, and specially constituted funds. This framework aims to provide financial autonomy and sustainability to panchayats, enabling them to perform their functions effectively. The Constitution of India. Part 9. The Panchayats. Article 243(h). Powers to impose taxes by, and funds of, the panchayats. The legislature of a state may, by law, A. Authorize a panchayat to levy, collect and appropriate such taxes, duties, tolls and fees in accordance with such procedure and subject to such limits. B. Assign to a panchayat such taxes, duties, tolls and fees levied and collected by the state government for such purposes and subject to such conditions and limits. C. Provide for making such grants in aid to the panchayats from the consolidated fund of the state, and D. Provide for constitution of such funds for crediting all monies received, respectively, by or on behalf of the panchayats and also for the withdrawal of such monies therefrom as may be specified in the law.